I will give this fantastic gamepad to one of you guys by chance after this unboxing video. Just if you like my video, subscribe my channel and write one English comment inside comment box. And after I share this video, I will choose one comment from comment bar by chance and send it to your address. That's all. But before we start this video, hello, welcome to Reportech. Today we are here with this smartphone Bluetooth gamepad, which is made by Korea. Joytron is company which produced this very nice gamepad. If you are a gamer, if you like to play game with your smartphone, it can be very good choice for you. And this model is MX Flex 5. We will unbox it after I explain some information for you guys that you should know about it. First is about RGB LED, which is a gamepad, and it has some movements during game. You can customize it with colors which you like them, so it is very nice. If you like this kind of features, it's very good for you. But second thing that I really love it is that because this can connect by Bluetooth, so not just smartphones, not just Android or iOS phones, you can also connect it via Bluetooth to your PlayStations, Xboxes, your computer also, and Switch. So it's really good. That means you buy one controller which can do too many things for you. So you can see for iOS, Android, PC, and Switch, you can connect to all of them. Maximum, you can put your phone inside it to playing, but it should be maximum 17.6 centimeter. I think that all phones are inside this range, so you can use of your smartphone, put it inside gamepad, and start to playing game. So, and also you can use of your phone with cover. You shouldn't take it off, put it, and after that take it on, something like that. You don't need, just put it inside your gamepad, play game, and when you don't want, just take it out and disconnect your Bluetooth. Very nice joystick with nice colors that you can customize them. You can see. And it has also very good vibration system during game when you need it. Some parts of games for alerting or anything, you always have very good vibration system inside this gamepad. And last things that you should know is that it has charger type C, not any battery, not anything, just type C, USB, you can charge it. And with 3.5 hours charging, you can use 13 hours of this gamepad. You can play non-stop 13 hours. So, I think it's enough. Let's open it and see how is it together. So, okay, I don't want to make messy here, so it's not inside. We have one brochure in Korean, unfortunately not in English, so you need translator for this. And very nice gamepad here. I will show you. I will take it off. What we have here. Okay, put it again out of video. We have one cable, USB cable type C for charging, and finished. So I put them out. Yes, it's nice. Okay, you can see it like this. And like this. Very, very good in hand. Simple, light, with good sound. You can hear it. It's nice. And you can open it till 17 centimeter. Very easy. Okay. So, and you can also customize buttons how you like inside your game. I want to connect it, but before I connect, I want to show you which of them. Home. Yes, look, it has very nice LED system. You can see everywhere LEDs. Okay, so I just need to turn on my Bluetooth wireless controller. Okay. Okay, with one vibration. Understand that it's done. Okay, so I prepared game. Look, it asked that which system you are connected. Backbone, PS4, PS5, Xbox, for example. Okay, I connected. I should just push it from one side and here like this. You can see very nice. Also with one phone, it's again good. It seems a bit big, but it's good. You can handle it. Also, it will be with these buttons, and also you can work on touchpad. That means touch also will work for you. Okay, so for example, I go to multiplayer part by touch. I'll start the game to show you. Okay. So, look, I play with this. Very, very soft. You can see very soft. And with this, for example, you can move. With this, I move. Left, right, very soft. Without any delaying, look. Very soft, look. Very soft. Without any delaying. And also, for example, this is shutting. Okay, so which of them is for? Okay, you can see that. Look, for example, with Y, it's fast, I think, not too much delay. Or how about B? B is for seating, for example. How about this? Reloading. Jumping. Okay. This is not, for example, at the moment, these parts are not connected. I can connect them later. Okay, for this is zooming. Look. Okay, so you can see that moving, not very hard. You can zoom. Okay. You can see all of them are working very easy and very soft. That's all. Okay. That's all. I think you saw everything about it. It's very nice. And I again say that I will gift this to one of you guys because I don't need it. I don't have too much time to play games, so I can gift it to you. Maybe I can put it here somewhere to be nice to explain. Okay, it's good. This video was not promotional video. Just I wanted to share information about this. If you are gamer, you can use of this. But I have also one message to Joytron. If you want to make one cooperation, I'm ready. You can just text me. I will show all of your products to people. And you guys If you want to buy this and you cannot find this model or this brand in your country, you can also text me. You can order. I will send it to your country. I can help you to buy this and have it, because I'm not sure about other countries. Maybe I can help you to buy it. So if Joytron helped me and wants to work with me, we can also do this kind of things together. And also, again, I say, if you want to order it, you can also text me. Okay, guys, I hope you have very good day or night, and very good things happen for you. Have a good day. Bye bye.